Hello. The most consumed data these days, the type of content which is mostly consumed these days, are videos. And as a marketer, we need to learn how to create videos quickly using some tool. Okay. So in this video, I'm going to share with you one tool known as Ecamm Live, which actually works on Mac. Okay. This is only for Mac, and this is a very, very powerful tool which I have been using for last few months. Using this tool, I have created so many videos very quickly. Okay, so this is Ecamm Live, ecammlive.com. You can go to this website, and this actually works on Mac, and through this you can actually do some live streaming on various social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, okay, Periscope, okay, Restream.io, which is actually to stream your video in multiple platforms. So mainly I use it for Facebook Live, because in one of my community, I have a community of marketers where I actually give training every week. Okay, so for weekly community meetings, I use Facebook group, and where I go live using this Ecamm Live. And also I do many live sessions on YouTube using Ecamm Live, right? So it is a great tool. Let's go through the website quickly, and I'm going to show you about what are the different prices and plan for this amazing tool. So you can actually do interviews with 5 guests, okay, using Skype. You can connect your Skype account with Ecamm Live, and this way, I mean, this is a great tool where you can actually do some overlays, okay, on your live videos. While you are recording a video, you can actually show your logo here, or else you can actually write some text. Okay, so this way, this is a great tool for this. So let's go ahead and let's see the some of the features which this tool give. And also very quickly, I'm going to give you a quick demo on how I use this tool to create my videos really fast. Okay, because speed is very important. Okay, there are many more tools for video marketing and all those things, but I think Ecamm Live is one tool which is really very fast. Okay, so you can schedule your live event for the future. Okay, you can do local recording also using this tool. Using Ecamm Live, you can actually record videos quickly, okay, on your Mac. Then all the real-time comments and reactions you can actually display on your live screen. Okay, so these are some of the things. Okay, you can go through this website, and let's see the pricing. Okay, let's see the pricing. So it comes with, I think, some trial version also. I think 14 days, it gives a 14 days trial version is there, right? And if you go to monthly plan, it starts with the standard plan, which is $15 per month. So I'm using this one standard plan, which is in Indian currency, it is around 1,000 rupees only. So per month, if you can invest only 1,000 rupees to this beautiful tool, I think it is much better than many other tools available in the market for video creation, okay, video kind of content. So I think you can go with the standard one, and the link on the I'm actually sharing one of the link in this video description. You can click on that link, and you can actually go ahead with this. So you can also go ahead with the free trial version also, but it will have Ecamm Live watermark, which will not look good. But yes, for some for some trial version, I mean, just to try out things, you can go with it. But I suggest you, at least for next 2 months, 1 or 2 months, try this. Okay, only 1,000 rupees per month, $15 per month. Okay, so all the Ecamm Live watermark will be gone, and custom overlays and branding you can do, automatic high quality recording you can do. So if you watch some of my YouTube videos, my old YouTube videos, you will find that video quality is really great, because I am using Ecamm Live for all those things. Okay, so just go through this, and you can actually subscribe it, and you can create your account. Okay, so once you got your account created using this any of these options, link I'm giving in the description section of this video, then you can download Ecamm Live. It will ask you to download Ecamm Live, okay, and you can just install it on your Mac. This only works on Mac. This does not work on Windows. So I'm opening Ecamm Live, which is installed on my Mac, right? And this is the icon of Ecamm Live, and let's see how it looks. It is a really amazing tool, and since the time I'm using it, actually I'm also using Camtasia. Right now I'm using Camtasia to actually record this video, but Ecamm Live is mostly what I use. Okay, so this is the layout. Okay, you can see my video. Okay, hello, I'm looking good. Okay, so you just see, this is, I'm using standard version of Ecamm Live, $15 per month. I'm using it, and let me just quickly show you about quickly tell you about the user interface. Okay, so once you get your Ecamm Live account created and you install this this tool, this actually you have to install it. Okay, this does not work on browser. You have to first install it, and then you have to just see. Let's go ahead and see what are the options available here. Here you can click here, and there is a destination. You can connect your Facebook account. I've already connected my Facebook account here. So it will, first time, if you're using it for the first time, it will ask for your Facebook ID and password. You can just connect your Ecamm Live account with Facebook this way. So my name is Tarun. So this is my account connected with Facebook. Okay, if you're using it for the first time, it will ask you to connect it. And here are some of my pages. Okay, these are my business pages, which I can click on any of these pages and post to business page timeline, go live. Okay, this is right now it is showing unscheduled, and here I can write the description. Okay, just like testing live stream, and if I click on go live, immediately I will go live on my Facebook page. So this is as simple as that. Okay, very simple. Just using this, I connect with Facebook and I can go live. And also here I can connect with my YouTube account. I have connected with my YouTube account here, and there's option to broadcast this to public, unlisted and private video. There are 3 options available in YouTube. Okay, what type of video you want, and at the same time here there are 2 options now, or you can schedule the event for later date. Okay, for the future date. So suppose if I want to schedule my YouTube live for the future date, I have done it many times. In that case, what I do, just click here, new schedule live, and the broadcast is to public, and then here I can say Ecamm Live tutorial in detail. Say for example, this is the title of my YouTube video, and here I can type the description of the video. Okay, for quick video creation. So for example, and here it has 3 options. Normal, latency means the difference between the time. I mean, you can see that there will be small lag in receiving the comments. Okay, suppose if I'm going live and if I ask you hello everyone, just type hello, so I will get some delay in getting the response from my audience. So normal is fine. It is the comments are delayed by I think 4 to 5 seconds, maximum 6 to 10 seconds. Low latency, if you have really good internet connection, you choose low latency, or else ultra low latency if you have very strong internet connection, right? And here you can select the date and time, and accordingly here you can put up your YouTube video thumbnail, and you can click on schedule. So on YouTube, if you go to your YouTube channel, once you click on schedule, it will automatically show that a new event is scheduled for the future date, and then you can start promoting that future YouTube live within your community and your audience. Okay, so this way you can actually use Ecamm Live to schedule your YouTube events for the future date. Okay, I hope you got it. This is so easy. So this way I am using Facebook and YouTube live using Ecamm, and here you can also, if you want to go live immediately, go live now. Okay, then I can just type here the title of my YouTube video, and I can immediately go live on YouTube. So this is so simple. Okay, now let's see some of the options here. They are here you can see there is this option which can actually, this is known as overlays. Okay, you can see this overlays option. So you can see there is one text here, www.dnaclub.in. Okay, so this is a floating text. I can put it here like this. So how I have done this by using this overlays option. Here is a T. Okay, T for text. I can type some text, and then accordingly I can put it testing Ecamm. I can say Ecamm tutorial by Tarun. Okay, so Tarun, that's my name, and I can click on add. So this way I can just put it here. Okay, and you can play around with some of the backgrounds and things like that, right? Black background, and then the color of the text or background. Okay, this is the background. This way you can click, and there are many font settings which you can try out. Okay, so mainly how I use it, I use this is many times. Okay, just for your information, I'm just giving you this very special link. If you are into network marketing business, in that case And if you want a very clear roadmap on how to build network marketing business online, this is totally in Hindi. So if you don't know Hindi, don't go for it. If you know Hindi, in that case, www.dnaclub.in and then blueprint. So this is my automated webinar. So what I can do is, how I use this is, I put it like this, and here there is option to switch off the visibilities into here. So suppose if I am live on Ecamm Live, hello everyone. So I want to tell you that there is a live there is an automated webinar which is a blueprint to build business online. If you want to go ahead and if you want to watch this, in that case, just go through this text. So this way, what I have done is I have just hidden and visible. This settings you can do in real time when you are actually live. Okay. So this is a great thing. And also there's an option for countdown. Okay. Suppose if I want to create an urgency while I am live, and if I want to sell something, and if I want to create urgency that you have only 10 minutes to actually buy my product, in that case, here is an option. And I can actually start a countdown with a duration of 10 minutes and things like that. So if I click on add, then here is a countdown, and the audience can see this countdown. I can just drag and drop like here, and hello everyone. So if you want to avail this very special offer, in that case, here is the link. Sorry, here is the timer which is going on. So in next 9 minutes and 42 seconds, I will close this offer for you. So things like that you can do. This can actually create urgency, and if you can actually start this timer. Also, it has very good feature of you can actually insert some photos. This is known as new image overlay, and also animated overlay. Suppose if you want to show a photo, or if you want to show a video. Okay, if you want to show a video, suppose here I want a video during my live videos. In that case, I can click here, and it will actually open my hard disk drive, and suppose like this, I can actually play a video. Okay, and animated overlay. So this way, I can just change the size of the video. Okay, so have you seen such happy parents? Do you want to know how to be a happy parent? Parenting tips, suppose things like that. Okay, so you can actually play videos like this, and you can play multiple videos. Say for example, this video. And also, if I want to show another video, I can actually play 2 videos at same time. Okay, so what a beautiful tool, and this all I can do in real time. Okay, so this way, this is a great thing, which means there are many tools using which you can actually edit your videos. But if you know how to use Ecamm Live, which is very easy to use, you can actually do all such kind of things in real time. Okay, in real time. Now suppose if I want to show this, okay, this is a book. I got these learnings from this book. So things like that I can do in real time. Okay, so what I have to do is I just have to select all these photos and all these things already available here in my overlays, and in real time I will just enable and disable the visibility accordingly. Okay, so just try this out. This is amazing stuff. And also next option is mic. Okay, I'm using Yeti mic. This is the mic which I'm using. If you want to buy this mic, then I am also sharing the link of this mic also. Ecamm Live. Many of you ask me what is the price of this tool, this mic. This looks good. In that case, I'm sharing the link. You can buy it from Amazon. Okay, this is really great. So you can just choose which microphone you want to use. Okay, so here are some audio settings, very simple. And here some, if you are using green screen, you can do green screen settings. And as such, I have not done any changes here. I have not done any changes. I'm just using my MacBook Air HD camera. That's it. There is no webcam. I'm not using any webcam. This is all because of good lightings. Okay, and also good quality, high quality settings which I've done on Ecamm Live. Okay. Now next is real time. On real time, if I want to create some kind of fun kind of activities just to grab attention of my audience, I can use these sound effects in real time. Okay. So all of you who have given the right answer, here are some applause. So this way, actually I can play all these sounds. Okay, So in real time, the audience will hear such kind of sounds. Okay, so these are some amazing stuff. And also real time, you can watch the comments. Okay, YouTube live comments, Facebook live comments, and you will see all these comments as a presenter here. And then you can display, if you want to answer some question, you can actually see these comments here, and you can actually bring those comments in front just like this, and then you can answer your question, answer that question. So this is again great way to engage your audience when you are live. Okay, so this is amazing stuff. Right now these are comments. Next is, these are some of the settings which you can go through. Okay, so you can go through these settings. As such, I have not done any major changes, but yes, you can select the quality of the video which you want. If you are using good quality webcam, or you are using some pro cam, then you can change the video quality here. And as such, use high quality video mode, high quality audio mode. I have already selected these two, so I have not done many major changes here. You can just go through this, very simple to use. Okay, I hope you got it right. And now we have just covered all these things. Now next, let's see, there are 3 buttons here. This is the video mode. You can see my video, and the next mode is shared screen. If I on real time, if I want to share my screen, then I can click here, and it is giving me option show as a current application, whatever current application in the background. If I click on this screen, okay, this browser, then this is my current now my application, current application which I'm using. Okay, so I can use this, and the same will be shared, and you can see my video is here. I can actually click and drag, okay, this, and if I right click here, here are some of the options which where you can change the size of your video. Okay, just like round, you can also do this round settings also. Okay, so this way, hello everyone, so round is also looking good, correct? Then tall, like this, I can put it like here. Tall does not look good, wide is good, right? And then you can change the size of your video like this. So this is really amazing. Real time, you can do all these settings in real time. Okay, now here you can show only the current app, or else you can show the entire screen. So entire screen will be visible, okay, when you go live. So these kind of settings you can actually do. So this is video mode, this is shared screen mode, and you can change the placement of your video. And also there is another option, which is here you can also play some videos, okay, videos in the background. Okay, so I have already uploaded some videos, okay, or you can just click on choose file, and select any of the video which is available in your hard disk. Suppose if I'm selecting this video, okay, and then open. So what happens on real time, you can see my video in the corner side, and this is a video which is going on. Okay, so if I'm explaining something and this video I want to play, I can also play these videos. So before, just before I go live using Ecamm Live on YouTube or Facebook, I can actually place all these videos. I've already uploaded these videos, or you can just, I've not uploaded, basically I have just set these videos here. So in real time, I can just play one of the video like this. Okay, so this video is going on, and my real time video you can see in the corner. Okay, and then I can again switch back to my real video. So this way on means once you, at the time when you are actually giving the presentation using Ecamm Live, actually you can do so many things, right? And I can actually place my website link here so that it is clearly visible. Okay, it is clearly visible here, and I can float it anywhere. So I have kept it static here, www.dnaclub.in, and then accordingly, whatever, based on what kind of video I want to, what kind of training I want to give, accordingly I keep all my settings done here already, ready before I go live. Okay, so this way I do. So, and also the thing is, if I don't want to go live, if I just want to record a video, in that case I can click here and click on record only mode, record only. So which means now if I click here on record button, whatever I do will be recorded in my hard disk. Okay, let's try this. Okay, I'm clicking on record. Okay, hello everyone, welcome to this very special video. I'm recording this video this is going to be very important for all the marketers, because here I'm going to tell you, showcase you some of the cool features of Ecamm Live. And this video is going to and here is a countdown. Here is a countdown, Okay, so I can just real time when I'm recording this video, you can see this is the countdown going on, and here's one of the video which I want to show. This is the video. Okay, so this way, and also here is the book which I recommend you all to read. Okay, do read this book. So all these things I am actually recording, and let's click on finish and end recording. So now just let's remove this and remove this, and let's see. Okay, let's see on my hard disk if this is saved. Okay, yes, so this is the video which is actually saved on my hard disk. Okay, just see this. Okay, hello everyone, welcome to this very special video. I'm recording this video this is going to be very important for all the marketers, because here I'm going to tell you, showcase you some of the cool features of going this account. This video you can see. So you can see, so this video is recorded. How quickly I've recorded that video, and I'm floating this timer and also other things. This is the countdown going on, and here's one of the video which I want to show. This is the video. Okay, so here is the book which I recommend you all to read. Okay, do read this book. So all these things I'm actually recording. So you can see how quickly I have just recorded one video, and I have done such kind of things. So see, these things actually take so much of time if you do recordings. First you do recording like this, simple recording, and then you play some elements here and there. It takes so much of time. But in Ecamm, using actually Ecamm Live, you can do all these things real time. Okay, so this is an example how you can record video in your hard disk, and also same way you can go live on YouTube and do all these things in real time. Okay, so I hope you liked it, and I hope you understand this is so easy to use. First time, if you will use it for the first time, it will take some time, I mean 15 to 20 minutes just to play around with all these settings, and it is so easy to use. You can actually go for it. Okay, so there are so many options here. There is no need to go with all these things. Okay, whatever I have told you, just focus on these things. And I think as I told you at the starting of this very special video, that is this is the time where videos are the king. I mean, we understand that content is king, but at the same time, what type of content are people actually consuming? They are actually consuming videos, and we as marketers should know how to create videos quickly without any dependency to any third party. There are many people who actually don't know how to use many video editing tools. Okay, so Ecamm Live actually solves that problem. You can do all such kind of minor updates, minor things during your live streams. Okay, so this is really amazing thing, but the only drawback is this works only on Mac. This works only on Mac. Okay, Apple laptops. Okay, so which means if you are a Windows user, this may not be useful for you. If you are a Mac user, you should 100% go for it. That is for sure. You will literally love it. Okay, so I suggest you to go with the standard version. It is just 1,000 rupees per month. Try this for the first month, and then later on, if you don't like this, then you can stop it. And at least for 1 month, you should try this. Okay, instead of purchasing many heavy tools for video editing, Camtasia and Adobe, there are many tools. So these such tools are really very expensive. For such small editings, you can actually use Ecamm Live. Okay, I hope you got some value here. If you want to buy this standard version, you can actually click on the link which I am sharing with you in my video description. Click on that link, and you can go with the standard version, and let me know if you have any kind of question related to Ecamm Live, or any feedback, any thoughts. Do share the same using the comment option. I will definitely read your comments. Do subscribe this YouTube channel. I will see you in the next video. See you. Bye.